Yes. Hi guys, good evening. Can you hear me?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, still, if anyone unable to hear me, anyone unable to hear me, just rejoin the session. Rejoin into session. Rejoin into session. Yes, let's start. Yes, if anyone unable to hear me, rejoin into session. Just rejoin into session. Rejoin into session. Yeah. See, yesterday, just Java introduction given. Yes, your batch 7:30 p.m. 27th February. Last two classes. Day one about all the course introduction discussed. Yes, about me introduction. Yes, about course introduction. Prerequisite to learn Java. So about my introduction. Yes, about myself here. Course. Next prerequisite to learn Java. Course contents. What next after this course? All introductions completed yesterday. Sorry, previous class, first class, day one. It's a day one. Day one. Next day two. On day two. Day two. So day two, yes, due to actual classes. So yesterday started Java. Java introduction given. On day two, all Java introduction. What is Java? Java history, Java features, why Java has this much of popularity, what is present position of Java, what is feature of Java. This thing we discussed in yesterday's class. Complete Java. What is Java? Let us review about yesterday's class. Review on yesterday's class. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Okay. Java next. Yes. So OOP stands for Object-Oriented Programming. JDK Java Development Kit. Okay. So JDK version from the Sunsoft. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. First version of Java released in the year 1996. So 1.0 released with below features here. Yes, today we'll discuss about these features. Today topic about these features. So next version JDK 1.1, 1997. Okay. Yes, 1997. 1997. Yes. So yesterday, on day one, I have given introduction myself. Yeah, this is Nageswar Rao. Okay, 20 plus years of experience. Java, Big Data, and Hadoop, Linux by this my area of experience. Okay, current working company, Silatech Private Limited. I'm working presently. I'm working for this company. I'm not just like a trainer here. Yes, I'm working for this company. Okay. Yes, my role is architect. Presently working as architect. Yes, I'm not just like a teacher. I'm not like a trainer, a simply trainer. Yes, I'm working currently with this company. My role architect. Okay, 19 projects completed totally. This is my yes about my introduction. Okay, yes. So you get JDK 1.0. These are yes JDK 1.0 features. Next 1.1 next year for 1997. In 1.1, 3 editions. Next year, yes, Java 5, JDK 1.5, fourth edition, Tiger version released. Yes, called as Tiger version. Yes, in the year 2004. Okay, 2004. So many features were added here. Major changes one in Java 5. Java 5. Okay, fourth edition also added in Java 5. So with Java 5, yes, Java got the success. It got the success here. So finally, Java divided to 4 editions. There are 4 editions: Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, Micro Edition, and FX. Totally 4 editions. Java Standard Edition, it's a Java technology. Java Standard Edition is Java technology. Okay. Yes, Java technology. Yes, core Java. Our core Java comes under this. Next, Enterprise Edition, it's a application development. It's a frameworks. All frameworks comes under this here. Okay, frameworks are to develop the applications. Okay. Yes, application. Enterprise Edition is a application development. Okay. Next, micro edition for mobile applications. This area Java not in use. Next, Java effects for visual effects. This area also Java not in use. Java using only these 2 editions here. Here, this area Java is a leader, no doubt. Java is leader. Okay. Yes, next there are different frameworks. List of frameworks yesterday discussed here. What is exactly framework? Explain very clearly about framework. Okay. Yes, advantage of frameworks. Yesterday all this advantage discussed here. Okay, advantages. Okay, we can, yes, with the frameworks, quality products with less cost. Yes, in short period of time we can deliver. Okay, so this is yes, advantage of that frameworks. Okay, here different frameworks: Spring and Hibernate to develop internet-based applications and ERP applications. Yes, ERP applications. Next, Spring and Hibernate. Yes, internet-based and ERP applications. Next, Hadoop. Yes, big data applications. Okay, right? So about yesterday, yes, about complete Java overview discussed. So Java history, next present, okay, present position and future, and all that discussed here, all that discussed. So this is about yesterday's session, not today. Yes, today topic. Let us start with features. Let us start with features here. D3. D3. Yes, features. D3. Today topic. D3. Yes, let us start D3. Today topic. See. Yes, so these are the JDK 1.0 features: independent platform, portability, group language, scalability, and security. These are 1.0 features. Okay, JDK 1.0 features. First initial features. Okay. So 1.0 features. They are 1.0 features. First version of features. Let us see about all of these things. So what is independent platform? What is independent platform? What is portability? What is group language? What is scalability and security? Let us see about all these features. Let us see about all of these features. Yeah, just a minute. Yes. Now here, these are the Java features here. See, to understand these features, some Java, some software basics required. Directly may not be understanding, These features may not be understanding directly. Okay, to understand all these features, some basics required, software basics required. Software basics like yes, about operating system. So what is OS? About operating system. Okay, about OS. So about operating system. Okay, next about interpreter, about interpreter and compiler, about interpreter and compiler. See about operating system, about interpreter and compiler. Okay, next about exe file and dot class files. Okay, next about low level languages and high level languages. Low level, high level languages. Okay, see about OS, about interpreter and compiler, about exe file and dot class files here, low level language, high level language. There are some basics. So before going to Java, there are some basics required. Yes, if you know about these basics, then easy to understand Java here. If you know about these basics, here, then easy to understand Java. So let us start with basics here. So let us start with basics. Let us start with basics here. Okay, so I'm starting with basics. Okay, starting from starting with basics here. Starting from the scratch here. Basics. Yes, even non-IT background guys also can understand. Okay, here my intention is everyone has to understand my classes. Everyone has to understand my classes. Without IT background starting my classes and finally, yes, finally become like a 3 to 4 years experienced guy. That level, yes, I'll train you. Yes, without with zero knowledge of IT, then become expert in Java. That is my intention. So for that reason, I'm starting from basics. Basics. See, very scratch. Yes, may not be expected. I think. Yes, you guys are. The guys not expected. Yes, that method basics. Yes, see, computer where. Yes, I'm starting from very basics here. Computer where. See, computer where. See, computer where. Basically two categories. Computer where basically two categories. First one hardware. First one hardware. Second one software. Hardware and software. So first one hardware, next one software. Hardware and software. Hardware and software. So what is hardware? Hardware, these are physical components of a computer. Hardware, these are physical components of a computer like keyboard, mouse, monitor, hard disk, RAM memory. All these are hardware components. We can touch all these components here. These hardware components, we can touch all these hardware components. So these are physical components, but not necessary for us. Not necessary. Our topic is software, about software. Our topic is software. Our topic is software. So topic is about software. Yes, what is software here? See, in software, everything is a program. Everything is a program. Everything is a program. See, in software, everything is a program. Yes, it's a collection of programs. It is a collection. It's a collection. It's a collection. It's a collection of programs. It's a collection of programs. Okay, software. See, in software, everything is a program. Yes, it's a collection of programs. It's a collection of programs. Yes, such as C, C++, something like this. All programs in software. Since software, everything is a program. Everything is a program. It's a collection of programs. Okay, fine. Here, software basically two categories. Software basically two categories. Software basically two categories. Two categories. First one, system software. Second one, application software. System software. Next, application software. Software basically two categories. First one, system software. Next one, application software. Yes. So what is system software here? Yes, tell me guys, anyone idea about it? So these are very basics in the software. Anyone idea about it? See, you guys are learning many things, right? Learning different softwares. I think might have learned different softwares. Now tell me their basics. Anyone idea? What is system software? What is application software? Yes. Anyone idea about it here? What is system software? What is application software? System software and application software. What is system software? What is application software? Yes, anyone idea about it? Yes. Okay, system software, it operates hardware. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, let me explain. What is system software? System software. Yes, fine. Okay, good. Well and good. Yes, Santosh, operate the system. We need operating system. Okay, fine. Well and good. Yes, system software. System software. It interacts. It interacts with the hardware components. It interacts with the hardware components. It interacts with the hardware components. So, what is system software? System software. It interacts with hardware components. System software, it interacts with hardware components. System software, it interacts with hardware components. System software always interacts with hardware components. System software, it interacts with hardware components. For example, OS, yes, operating systems comes on systems. Okay, it's a OS, system software. OS is system software. So system software, it interacts with hardware component, just interacting, it interacts with hardware components. Example ways. So OS interacts with hardware components. OS interacts with hardware components. It's a system software. Next, application software. What is application software? See, application software. Applications of what is application software? See, applications of this is, yes, for the, yes, purpose of application development, for the purpose of application, for the purpose of application, yes, for the purpose of application development, for the purpose of application development. See, application software, this is for the purpose of application development. System software, this one interacts with hardware components. Example ways. Application software for the purpose of application development. Applications. See, in our real life, we are using many applications. Applications, apps. See, in our day-to-day life, we are using many applications, right? In our day-to-day life, we are using many applications. Can you tell me some examples of applications? Yes, in our day-to-day life, we are using many applications. Yes, suppose in a mobile. In your mobile, many applications installed, right? Can you tell me which is mostly used application in your mobile? Which is mostly used application in your mobile? Which is mostly used application in your mobile? Yeah, WhatsApp, good, Santosh, good. It's a WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Yes. See, WhatsApp has become mandatory in our life. Okay. See, after WhatsApp came to the picture, yes, our communication has become simple and easier. Yes, instead of calling to somebody, pinging message, passing information. So previously, just he called and passed information. Instead of calling, just we are pinging message. So without disturbing others, we are giving messages. Yes, our job becomes very simple. It has become very simple with WhatsApp. Okay, it's yes, excellent app in communication. WhatsApp. Yes, next. Facebook, their applications, Facebook, sharing some information. Yes, information about you. Okay, Facebook, WhatsApp, Facebook. Okay, yes, Twitter. Okay, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter. Suppose online shopping application, Flipkart. There are all the applications. Flipkart. It's application. Yes, it's application. Okay. Next, online trading applications, online trading apps. There are many apps we are using nowadays. Next, banking apps, banking purpose, daily banking needs, banking apps. So all their applications, right? Yes. To develop this kind of applications, to develop this kind of applications, we need some software. To develop this kind of applications, we need some software. That software is application software. See, to develop this kind of applications, we need some software. That software is application software. Yes, application software. Best example, Java. Java is a mostly used application software. Out of all the application softwares, Java is a leader, no doubt. Java is a mostly used application software. Java is application software. Okay. Next, C and C++ also application softwares. Next, .NET is application software. Python is also application software. Okay. Hadoop also application software. Databases also application softwares. There are many things. Databases like this. There are many things in application software. There are many things. See, we are using many technologies, right? In software, many technologies. Like we are using some languages, some tools, and some packages. Right? So there are many things. Languages, tools, and packages. There are many things we are using nowadays. Languages, tools, and packages. Languages like Java, C, C++, .NET, Python. Okay, like there are many languages. Tools like data warehousing tools, testing tools, AWS DevOps tools, reporting tools like this. There are many tools. Ticketing tools like that, many tools. Testing tools like that. Next, packages, some ERP package like that. Many technologies we are using, right? Many technologies. So, which is exactly application software? See, software which is interacting with hardware is a system software. Only voice, only voice can interact with other hardware. Others cannot. Only voice, only voice can interact with hardware. Others cannot. Others cannot hear. Okay. So here, except voice, except voice, except operating systems, all are applications are simply. Only voice can interact with hardware. Only voice can interact with hardware. Others cannot. So voice is system software. So except operating systems, all are application softwares. All are application softwares. See, except operating systems. See, except operating systems, all are application softwares. All are application softwares. Except operating systems, all are application softwares. So except operating systems, all are application softwares. Okay. So operating systems means like Unix is a OS, Linux is a OS, Windows is a OS, Mac OS, except OS, all are application softwares. Yes, 1 second. Yes. So this is today introduction started. Okay, from this onwards is there in document here. In your main document, this is your main document. Let me show the main document. Java. So this is your main document. Once it is opening. Yes. Today topic. See, introduction to software. Today topic. Software is a collection of programs such as C, C++, Java, Python. This software basically two categories. System software, next application software. System software interacts with hardware components. Example, operating systems. Application software for the purpose of application development. Example C, C++, Java, .NET and all this. Okay, except OS, except operations, all our application softwares. Except OS, all our application softwares. Okay, right? Yes. So this thing same. It's there in document here. See, you guys running notes is not necessary. Running notes is not necessary. Don't try to write any running notes. It's not necessary. I have prepared in document. It's well prepared document. Same thing. So what are things I'm explaining the class here? So this explanation, right? Yes, this is today topic. Today topic, right? Starting with basics. Start with software. Same thing. It's there in document here. Same as this I have prepared in document here. So running notes is not necessary. Don't worry, guys. I'll share with you. Okay. Yes. Today Wednesday. Tomorrow I'll share with you. Tomorrow Thursday. Thursday I'll share. Yes, I'll give the drive access. So Thursday tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll share this document. This document and softwares and recordings, everything I'll share with you. Tomorrow I'll share with you. Okay. Presently I'm using. See. Presently I'm using WhatsApp for the communication. Yes, WhatsApp. Yes, last two classes shared in the WhatsApp already. Last two classes already shared in the WhatsApp. Okay. Yes, sir. So once today session is completed, yes, I'll share all these sessions again because new members are in WhatsApp group. Yes, new members are in the WhatsApp group. For new members and for all here, I'll share again. Okay. 7:30 p.m. Yes. Yes, new members for these new members. Yes, for these new members is not shared. Today I'll share it. Yes, session day one, day two, all of these things I'll share with the new members also. Today I'll share day one, day two, today day three. These 3 days classes I'll share after finishing class. Yes, you guys, new members, don't worry. I'll share now. After finishing class, day one, day two, day three. These three things I'll share here. Class document plus recording. Both I'll share after finishing class. Okay. Yes, tomorrow I'll give the drive access, drive level. So drive level. So in drive, this document is available. Next Java software available. Next daily recordings also available. Okay, daily recordings. Yes, sir. See, Java drive. So this is drive. Yes, it's a drive for your batch. MN course of in drive. Yes, all this in available. See your class document. JDK software, Eclipse software in drive is available here. Yes, I'll give the drive access. Tomorrow I'll give the drive access. Tomorrow drive access. So these documents and software is drive here. Next, another drive for recordings. Recordings drive. 1 second, let me check. Yeah, recordings drive. Here, this is recordings drive. See, last two sessions, 27, 28. So these two recording nothing. Today actual topic started. Okay, today's also I'll share it. Yes, I'll give the drive level access sharing. Tomorrow I'll share this one. Tomorrow I'll give the drive level access. Drive level. Okay. So these days just I'm using WhatsApp for communication. Just I'm using WhatsApp for communication. Okay. Yes, class documents, recordings, all are I'm sharing the WhatsApp. Tomorrow, yes, tomorrow after the class, I'll give the drive. Yes, not after class, tomorrow by the afternoon. Tomorrow by the afternoon, I'll give the drive level access. Okay, yeah, fine. Let us continue. So this is today topic. Up to this is discussed. Okay, up to this is discussed here. See, except operating systems, all are application softwares. Except OS. Now let us say about OS. What is OS? Except OS, except operating systems, all are application software. So exactly what is OS? Let us say about OS here. What is exactly OS? Yes, operating systems. Yes, exactly what is OS? Yes. Here some question for you guys. Some question. See, can we run any program, any program without OS? Can we run any program without OS? Yes, anyone, can you answer this question? Yes, can we run any program without OS? Can we run any program without OS? Yes. Here answer no, no. Fine, fine, well and good. So you say no. Answer is no. Can we run any program without OS? Answer is no. Without OS, we can't run. Okay, to run programs compulsory OS. Suppose if no OS, no computer. If no OS, no computer. Without OS, no computer. Without OS, no computer. OS required. Okay. See, except except bias, except bias, except bias. Yes, to run all programs, OS required. OS required. So what is bias? See, bias is not a software; it's a hardware program. See, software programs running on top of OS. For all software programs, OS required, but hardware bias is a hardware. It's a hardware. So bias, hardware program. So for this OS is not required. What is bias? Bias stands for what? Bias stands for yes, basic input and output system. Basic input output system. BIAS stands for basic input and output system. BIAS stands for basic input and output system. BIAS stands for basic input and output system. Yes, BIAS stands for basic input output system. See, yes, in your computer, in computer they say BIAS. BIAS. The BIAS image. See, it's a BIAS. It's a BIAS image. It's a BIAS image. It's a bias. Yes, see this BIAS. In your system is a BIAS. It's a BIAS, right? BIAS. It's a BIAS chip. See, when you power on your system, first of all, BIAS power goes to BIAS. When power goes to BIAS chip, this BIAS chip contains BIAS program. So this chip contains that hardware program. BIAS is a hardware program. BIAS it's a hardware. Yes, BIAS is a hardware program. It's not a software. It's a chip level program. It is a chip. It's level a it's program. It's a chip level program. BIAS is a hard yes. BIAS is a hardware chip actually here. So BIAS is a hardware. BIAS is a yes. BIAS is a hardware program. It's a chip level program. It's a chip level. See what's the task of BIAS? What's the task of BIAS here? So once you power on your system, okay, first of all, power goes to BIOS, then BIOS program activates, then loads waves from hard disk to RAM memory. So this BIOS is responsible for the booting process. BIOS is responsible for the booting process here. So BIOS. See, what's the role of BIOS here? In system, what's the role of BIOS here? BIOS here. So BIOS is responsible. BIOS is responsible to boot operating system. To boot operating system. So BIOS is responsible to boot operating system here. BIOS is responsible. See, BIOS is responsible to boot ways. To boot ways here. BIOS is responsible to boot operating system here. Yes, what is booting here? Booting. So what is booting? So booting is a process. Booting is a process of loading. Loading ways from yes hard disk to RAM memory. Okay. So what is booting process? Booting is a process of loading ways from the hard disk to RAM memory here. Okay. See, hard disk and RAM. Hard disk is a storage, right? Hard disk using for the storage. RAM is to run the yes OS. RAM is to run the OS. See, everything happening in the OS. RAM memory only here. See, OS, Java program, C program, even any application. Suppose go to training application, go to meeting application, or browser. Yes, all of these things. Maybe browser opens. Yes, all of these things running in RAM memory. RAM memory. Everything happens in RAM memory here. Hard disk is for the storage. Hard disk is for the storage. RAM is for the processing here. Yes, OS is running, programs running, applications, all are happening in RAM memory only. Hard disk is only for the storage. Okay. Even OS also. See, OS. See hard disk. In hard disk, this is C drive, D drive. C drive, D drive. In C drive, this is a Windows series, Windows OS. It's a Windows OS file system. It's a Windows OS. In C drive, this is a Windows OS. Windows OS. Not a Windows OS, some softwares installed here. D drive, some wall of yes documents. It's a storage. It's a hard disk. Hard disk using for the storage. Yes, even OS are inside the disk here. Disk, hard disk. So once you power on a system here, once you power on system here, then first of all power goes to BIOS. Then BIOS loads OS from hard disk to RAM memory. Once loaded, your system is ready. Now OS loaded, right? Your system now is OS. Where this OS is running? In the RAM memory. Now OS is ready. Now this OS is responsible to take your request here. This OS is responsible to take your request. Now this OS running in the RAM memory. Right? So this is about BIOS. See, from very scratch started. From very scratch. Okay. Yes, there are some basics here. So about OS. See here OS. Yes, can we run any program without OS? No. Except BIOS for all of these things OS requires. See about BIOS. Now let us say about OS. What is exactly OS? Yes, now about OS. So what is operating system? What is operating system? Yes, let us answer this. What is OS? Let us say about OS here. OS. See, in computer there are some layers. In computer there are some layers. Here there is a yes hardware layer. On top of hardware there is a OS, operating system running. Okay. On top of OS running hardware, OS. On top of OS, different programs like C program, yes, C++, yes, maybe Java program, yes, maybe Python scripting, yes, maybe Hadoop programs, okay, maybe databases, maybe any tools. Okay, all are running on top of OS. So these are what application softwares, right? They're application software. They're application softwares. These are our application softwares. Okay. Yes, all these are application software. These softwares running on top of OS. So these are application softwares. These all are running on top of OS. Okay. See, This is application software. This is system software. Since software, two categories: system software, application software, right? So OS is a system software. Next, these are Java, C, C++. They are what? Application softwares. Okay. So in system, yes, this is system software layer and application software layer. System software and application software. See, all the application softwares, all programs running on top of OS. All they are running on top of OS. So OS just it's giving platform. OS just it's giving a platform. On top of it, all are running. OS just it's giving platform. On top of it, all are running, right? So it's working like a platform. It's acting like a platform. It's giving platform. OS giving platform to run all the programs. So what is OS means? Simple answer. It's a platform. Yes, it's a platform. It's a platform. It's a platform. Yes, where we can run all the application softwares, all the application softwares. It's a platform. Okay. So what is OS? What is OS means? It's a platform. OS, it's a platform. It's a platform where we can run all the applications. Just OS acting like a platform. Okay. So OS, it's a platform. It's a platform where we can run all the application software. So what is OS? The simple answer, it's a platform. It's a platform. See, one second. Java features. Java is independent of platform, right? Here platform means what? OS only. That means Java is independent of OS. Java working on any OS, maybe Linux OS, Windows OS, Mac OS. Java programs running on any OS. Okay, how is Java made as independent of platform? Next we'll discuss. Tomorrow topic. Tomorrow about independent of platform, what about these things tomorrow we'll discuss. Yes, today let us finish these basics here. Let us finish some basics here. Okay, yes. So what is OS means? What is OS? It's a platform. It's a platform where we can run all the application software. Okay. See, not only platform here, not only platform, support these programs generating output. Okay, suppose C program generating output. Output of C program simply goes to OS. First of all, transfer to OS and deliver to output device. Deliver to output device. Suppose reading from the keyboard. So first of all, keyboard data goes to OS and OS to these programs. Okay. So between application software and hardware, there is a OS. So everything happening through the OS here. See, these application software directly interacting with hardware. No, this cannot interact hardware here through the OS. It happens through the OS here. The application software, suppose output. First of all, output goes to OS and then transfer to output device. Suppose input maybe from the keyboard. That keyboard data goes to OS to these programs. That's it here. So between application software and hardware, there is a OS, like a mediator. Like a mediator between these two things. Mediator. Exactly, we can say it's an interface. Yes, it is an interface. Yes, it is an interface. It's an interface. It's an interface. Yes, it's an interface between, yes, OS is an interface between, yes, application software is an interface between application software. So what is OS? Yes, it's an interface. It's an interface between application software layer and hardware components. It's an interface between application software and hardware components hardware components. So this is about OS. What is OS means? Just it's a platform where we can run all the application software. Okay, next is an interface. It's an interface, OS interface between application software and hardware components. One second, let me have some water. Okay, fine. Next, one more thing about OS here. See, inside the OS, there are libraries. Yes, important point. Try to remember this one here. There are some libraries. Inside the OS, there are libraries. These libraries are, yes, input output functions. Their libraries are input output functions here. Input output functions. These libraries are input and output functions. Libraries are input or output functions here to perform IO operations. Yes, input output functions means C language functions. Libraries. Libraries contains, yes, input output C language functions here. OS is developed in C language. Every way is developed in C language. Yes, Unix ways, Linux ways, Windows ways, Mac ways, all the applications were developed in C language only. Every way is developed in C language. So these are C language functions here. Libraries, C language functions. Okay. Yes, here ways inside of ways there are some libraries. So with the help of libraries, yes, ways can communicate between application software and hardware components. See, every ways has its own libraries. Unix libraries, Linux libraries, Windows libraries. Every ways has its own library here. See, every ways has, yes, its own libraries, its own libraries. Okay, every ways has its own libraries to communicate, to communicate, yes, between application software layer, application software layer, and hardware components layer, hardware components. So ways using just inside of it there are libraries, right? So operating system just it's using libraries to communicate between these two. Okay, right? Next, one more important point about libraries here. Java perspective. Java perspective, some important points. See, what happens here? C program or Java program, Python, these programs, every program, these programs, first of all, yes, these programs, first of all, linking with OS library. After linking with OS library, then communicates with, yes, hardware components. So these programs, first of all, links with OS library. Half linking with the library, then communication starts with the hardware here. See, before going to running this program, first of all, linking with OS library. Yes, it has to link. That link may be statically linking or dynamically. Statically, dynamically. Suppose C and C++ statically linking. C and C++, C and C++ statically linking. Java and Python is a dynamical linking. Statically linking, dynamical linking. Statically, dynamically. Statically, dynamically. The differences I'll explain. Wait. Tomorrow class getting. Static linking or dynamic linking. Tomorrow class topic. Okay. Yes. Now these programs, first of all, linking with OS library. After linking with OS library, program execution starts. Okay, suppose C and C++ statically linking with OS library. Suppose Java and Python dynamically linking with OS library. That link in tomorrow class I'll explain how that linking, how it's working. Just tomorrow we'll discuss. Just 1 second. Yes, here see every program. See every program have to every program has to link with OS library. OS, yes, before going to run. Before going to run. Yes, it has to link compulsory here. Otherwise cannot. Even Java program also linking. C program linking. Okay. So every program. So every program has to link with OS library before going to run it here. Okay, so about OS introduction. See, try to remember last 3 points. That linking, these programs linking with OS library. That link may be static linking and dynamic linking. Yeah, these useful points in yes independent platform. Yes, in expansion of independent platform, useful topic. Okay, Java prospect, these are useful points here. Try to remember this. Okay. Yes. So this is about OS introduction here. OS. See same topic explain document here. OS. Can we run any program without OS? No. Except BIOS. About BIOS explain here. About OS. Same all that points here. So every program has to link with OS library before going to run here. Hardware, OS library, application software. Same thing is there. Okay. Now here software, system software, application software. What is Java? What is Java? Is it system software or application software? What is Java comes under what? System software or application software? What is Java? Yes, come on, guys. What you understand now? What is Java? Is it application software or system software? What is Java? Yeah, it's application software, right? It's applications of Java comes under applications of Java is application software. Now our topic is application software. Let us move to application software. See application software. Here they say front end and back end. In application software again two categories. Front end, back end. So what is front end? What is back end here? Front end. See front end it's like this. See front end. It's a front end, right? Yeah, this is form. Registration form. This is called a front end. Registration form. It's a front end. Now this form taking your data, right? Taking all the information stored in some location. Yeah, this is called as front end. This form is a front end. Registration form, login form, all their called as front end. So this front end interacting with users, interacting with us, and taking data from us, right? So they are called as front end. After taking data, the data stored into some location. Taking this data and storing to that location. That location is called as back end. That location is called as back end here. See what happens here in applications here. See front end. These are to interact with end users and it collects data from users and store it back end here. Back end to store the data like databases and files at back end. See this is Java application for example. Web application. Maybe this is yes maybe Facebook application or yes maybe go to training, go to meeting applications here. See here this is a front end browser. Browse some form details. That form may be registration form or login form. Okay. So this is front end. Browser it's a front end. After filling submit, once submitted, the data posting to server. Yes, it's a yes, it is this actual application. Go to training app, registration form, fill is submitted. The data simply goes to go to training app developed in Java. The Java program taking data inside database. Now this is backend. This is front end. This is server. This is backend here. It's application server. Java application. It's application. See, this is front end. This is actual application. This is backend database. So your data, your registration detail simply goes to application app here from the storing database server. So this is called as backend. This is backend. This is front end. This is actual application. Now Java, yes, where is Java in this here? See Java, yes, at the front end we can use as well server side also. Mainly server side programming. For front end there is JavaScript. Mostly JavaScript using here. Some cases using Java also. Some cases Java also. It's a front end. Front end. Okay. So here server side. So Java using at the server side. So next back end, right? So front end, this whole part you can say front end, this is back end here. So Java is now comes on the front end here. Java is a front end. Now let us go to front end here. In front end, language and packages. Languages and packages. Okay, language and packages. Language, completely programming. Packages, ready-made one, ready to use, no programming. In package, no programming. Okay, for example, MS Office, next ERP package, Tally accounting, all the packages. Packages we can use directly here, no programming. But in languages, we should write programming. What is Java? Yes, is it language or package? It's language. Java is a language here. Java is language. Now let us move to languages. Java is language. Now let us move to languages. What language? See that way of introduction into Java. Yes, introduction to Java here. See, first started with software. In software, system software, application software. Java is application software, right? Yes, simply move to application software. So before moving to application software, something explained about OS. Okay, application software, front end, back end, Java front end. Now move to front end. In front end language package, Java is a language. Now language like this here, introducing into Java here. Learn language. What is language? See, we are speaking many languages, right? Many languages like English, Hindi, yes, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Gujarati, Malayalam, like this many languages. Why are you speaking? Communication purpose. Just it's a communication, right? It's a communication. Yes, language just it's a media of communication. Language is a media of communication between two things. Yeah, that is well known for you. Media of communication. Now come to software here. Software languages. Software languages. So what are the software language here? Software, there are two things. First one, computer understandable language. Computer understandable language. Computer understandable language. First one, computer understandable language. Second one, yes, user understandable means our language. User understandable. Computer understandable language. Next, user understandable language. Okay. So user understandable language means English language. English language. This one looks like English language. For example, here, suppose C program, C program, C program, C program, right? It's like English language. This is user understandable language. It's user understandable language. Called as high level language. User understandable, high level language. Suppose Java, Java. See Java program. This is also in English, right? It's a user understandable language. User understandable language called as high level language. C program, Java program, yes, C++, and all these languages are high level languages. Okay, next about computer understandable language. What is computer understandable language? Yes, computer understandable language. Computer understandable language. Computer understandable language. See, it depends. It depends on. It depends on. It depends on generation of computers. Generation of computers. It depends on generation of computers. Now again question for you guys. Again some question. Yes. How many generation of computers? Anyone idea? How many generations? Yes. How many generations of computers here? Anyone idea about it? How many generations of computers here? Yeah, machine language. Okay. Binary code. Okay, fine. Generation of computers. Not. Yes. Yes. You saying about i3. Yes. i5, i7. Something like that. OS generation, like 10th generation, 12th generation, like that. No, computers. You saying about OS generations. Yes, how many generations of computers here? If there are 5 generations. There are 5 generations. Only 5 generations. There are 5 generations. There are 5 generations. 5 generations. The first gen. What is first generation computer? Initial computer, first generation. First generation is a vacuum tubes. First generation is a vacuum tubes. Vacuum tubes based here. Okay, vacuum tubes. Second generation. Second generation is yes, transistor based here. Transistors based here. Second generation. Yes, third generation is third generation IC based integrated circuits here. IC based. Fourth generation. Yes, fourth generation processor based. Processor based. Now this is present generation. It's a present generation. Present generation. Next fifth gen. Yes, fifth gen. Yes, it's a feature. Yes, what is feature computer? Feature generation. What is fifth gen? Anyone idea? Now presently we are using processor based. Now next generation, fifth generation, AI based. Good, AI based. Artificial intelligence. Yes, AI based computers. In future, AI based computers. So this is feature. Feature means not long time. Yes, nearly. Yes, around 2025. Around 2025, that AI based already started AI based world. AI based started already, but full fledged AI based from 2025 starting. AI based computer. Okay. No. Yes. What is processor based understandable? Like present is processor based. Understandable. Language. Language is binary code. Binary. So present computer understandable language binary code, like a zeros ones format. See about binary code we'll discuss. I'll explain. So once enter into Java, how that binary code generating. Yes, in Java I will explain here. Once enter into Java, I'll explain about binary codes. So processor based understandable language is binary code. Binary codes. Okay. See what is AI based understandable language? AI based. See AI based. Yes, processor based computer understandable language is binary code. See AI based computer understandable language is, what is AI based computer understandable language is? English. It can understand our English. Yes, it works like a human being. AI based computer works like a human being. If you say something, it can understand it. It can understand it. It can understand our English. Okay. Suppose your home, completely AI based home. Yes, if you say something that the AI based computer will do automatically. Opening door, closing door, power off, power on. Yes, maybe TV on, TV off, washing machine on, off. Okay, everything happens automatically here. If he says that here, that AI based computer will do everything here. So our task becomes very simple. Next, even AI based car. Suppose your car is AI based car, driverless car. Driver is not necessary. Okay, that AI based car, yes, that computer will drive the car automatically. Okay, yes, that is AI based car. Yes, if it is AI based car, yes, no pollution in the world. Next, one more thing here. Yes, security, no accidents, nothing here. AI based. Yes, suppose everything is AI based world here. AI based cars, AI based trucks, AI based vehicles. All vehicles are AI based. That vehicles move only in some particular route here. Okay. Yes, there is a particular route defining. Once route defined, that will go simply here. Yes, no chance of accidents. Suppose any vehicle coming in the opposite direction, that vehicle stopping automatically. Yes, AI based world. It's a pollutionless world. Okay, safety. Next, everything happens in transparency here. There is no chance of corrupting and all that. That is AI based world. Yes, expecting by 2030, after 2030, expecting AI based world. Okay. So AI based understandable language English. Now presently Yes, processor based. Presently we are using processor based. Okay. Get this processor based understand language binary code. Yes, it's called as low level language. Computer understandable language, low level language. So there are two types here. First one, low level. First one, low level language. First one, low level languages. Second one, high level language. Low level and high level language. Okay. So what is low level language? Low level language. Yes. Low level language. It's a system understandable language. It is a yes. It is a system understandable language. It's a system understandable language. It's a system understandable language. See, it is in the form of binary code. It is in the form of binary codes. It is in the form of binary codes. Binary code like a zeros ones format. It's a binary code. Zeros ones format. See, here, yes, it is called as machine language. It is called as machine language. It is called as machine language. It's a machine language. It is called as machine language. Low level language. It is called as machine language. Next, second one, high level language. High level language, yes, it's like English. High level language. It is like a English. Yes, it's a user understandable language. Yes, it's a user understandable language. Okay, it's like English. Okay, example, yes, Java is a high level language. C and C++ high level language. Python high level language. So they are high level language, right? Yes, which is first a high level language? Yes, one more question for you guys. Yes, which is first developed high level language? Which is first developed high level language? Which is first developed high level language? Anyone can you answer this? Which is first developed high level language? Which is a first developed high level language? There are many high level languages like Java, C, C++, Python, okay, HTML, like that. There are many high level languages. Yes, which is first developed high level language? Anyone idea? C language. C language. C language. C language. Yes, developed by Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie in the year 1972. Very old language. C is a first high level language. After C, next C++. After C++, Python. After Python, next Java. Like that, there are different languages developed here. Okay. See, high level language. Like C program, C program, Java, and all these high level languages, right? Computer don't know about these languages. Maybe C language or C++, Java, this high level language. System don't know about it. So this high level language, every high level language program has to convert into binary code. High level language to binary code. Yes, who will convert here? Who will convert from high level language to binary code? Which one will convert from high level language to binary code? Any idea? Java program converting into binary code. C program converting into binary code. C++ program converting into binary codes. Which one will convert these high level languages into binary code? Anyone idea? Yes. Yes, compilers or interpreters. Compilers or interpreters. Compilers or interpreters. Okay. High level language to binary code. Either compilers or interpreters. Converts from yes high level language to binary. Compilers, interpreters. Some languages are compiler based language, some languages are interpreter based language. Compilers are interpreters. Compilers or interpreters convert from high level language to binding codes. High level language to binding. Okay. High level language to binding codes. See all these topics discussed in document here. See generation of computers prepared in document here. Low level, high level language. About these things explained here. Okay. So C language, first and same topic. What I've discussed, everything is that high level language to binary codes. Interpreter or compilers convert from high level language to binary codes. So next topic is about interpreter and compiler. What is interpreter and compiler? Next, Java depends on what? Is it compiler based or interpreter based? The topic we should discuss. So these are basics. So before going to Java, these are some basics about OS topic discussed, about low level language, high level language discussed, about front end, back end discussed here, system software, application software, all these things, there are some basics. So next topic is about interpreter and compiler. This topic tomorrow we'll discuss. Interpreters and compilers. Tomorrow topic interpreter compiler and then Java introduction. Introducing into Java. So what is Java? Yes, how Java working? Yes, is it compiler working or interpreter working for Java? So this topic we'll discuss next independent platform. So tomorrow starting Java concepts. Okay. So tomorrow first half an hour, yes, about interpreter and compilers. After finishing, we'll be starting Java next. Yeah. So that's all for today. Any doubts, guys? Any doubts? I hope everyone in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Yes. After finishing class, I'll share now. Yes. Last 3 classes recordings. Yes. Last 2 days and this today. These 3 classes I'll share in the WhatsApp group. Tomorrow morning I'll give the drive access. Tomorrow morning drive access. Now by 11 o'clock you can see last 3 classes. Yes, last 2 classes of today, Monday class, Tuesday, Wednesday. These 3 classes. Yes, you can see in the WhatsApp group. Okay, document as well recording. Both I'll share with you. Still anyone not in group? Yes, try to share your information. I'll add the group. Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number. If still anyone not in group, just share this information. I'll add the group. Just your name and Gmail ID enough. Share this information. I'll add. Just take your own time care. At your free time, I think everyone is there in WhatsApp group. Just today's class who are attending today, everyone is there in the group. Yes. 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 If anyone not in group, you can share at your free time. Yeah, that's all for today. That's all for today. Tomorrow, same time, same link. Yes, tomorrow morning I'll give the drive access. Tomorrow morning I'll give you the drive access. Don't worry. Tomorrow drive access, documents, softwares, and recordings and everything. All are I'll share. Okay. Yeah, that's all for today. That's all. That's all for today. So thank you guys. Yes, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow same 7:30 p.m. So thank you guys. Have a great night.